Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a mock review on this moving truck I have made. And as you can see, it's made with the standard monster truck wheels that usually come with Lego sets. They make really annoying grinding noises. And if you really want a comparison between smooth wheels and these monster truck wheels, there's a video for that. Put that in the iCard. And we got a back door to the moving truck. So basically you can open up back here with a set of hinges. So if I just take this off, you can see there's a few hinge connector pieces underneath. So that when I connect this like that, it securely connects and it opens and closes very steadily. And then on the back, we have one of the pieces that you get with the Lego minifigures. And you put them on there. Yeah, it's one of those. And this can also be used as a little bit of a loading ramp, loading unloading ramp. So you can unload and load up your goods. And that's also where this comes into play. So for example, if I were to add these pieces, if you could just allow me some time, and then you could put this there, break it down, and it's a full-on ramp. And you can just remove the pieces, then put them in the truck. And close it. Cool, right? All right, got it out. So the top of the moving truck capsule area where you put all your stuff is a 4x6 base plate piece. And then this is just the 10704 garbage truck template I got here. So like it's the same pieces that are used for the garbage truck, except for this little thing at the back, which is obviously removable. So let's just put that back on here. And as you can see here, it's pretty much clear and empty. And then when you put that on, it just looks like a normal moving truck. Now, I used a similar design to my Lego tow truck, which is also based off of the set 10704 garbage truck, where instead of what would you call it? Like a door at the back, I made so that it would go down, so that it could be used as a ramp. Let's just use this car from a video I've already made. So it would go up here, and the ramp would go up, and then it would carry the car. Carry it around, just like that. But instead of that, I used a different design, which was made with that piece that was included in set 10704 that came with the dumper piece. So I just attached the dumper piece to these and used that as a ramp. But honestly, I think this one's a bit of a more efficient option. If you are using bigger cars, like this, This one's a bit more efficient. So let's just take that back off again so that I can actually properly demonstrate. So we could just do, like, hook it onto here, lift it up, and it goes on, and up it goes. For some reason I like to do that so that it doesn't like to fall off. And then we could just plop it back down. And I guess we could put this back together. So I guess that's gonna be the end of our video. So I'm just gonna put this car away. If you wanna see the mock review for this vehicle, that'll also probably be in the iCard, if not in the description. So I'm just gonna roll that off. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!